How to send from Binance to Coinbase. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to send from Binance to Coinbase. So in order to transfer bitcoins or cryptocurrencies in order to transfer cryptos from Binance to Coinbase, all you need to do is make sure that both of these accounts are connected to an internet service. Now to begin with, first thing first, open up your Binance account. Once you're logged into your Binance, this is how the interface is going to look like. So once you're logged in, it's going to look something like this. So here what you'll have to do is, once you are directed to the home page, tap the arrow icon located right at the bottom, and from there go ahead and tap on deposit. So once you've done that, you'll need to select the currency type. So I'm going to go with the BTC, that's Bitcoin. So select the Bitcoin, and here basically what you'll have to do is, for the deposited address, you'll have to copy paste the wallet address of your Coinbase or the receivers. So in order to do that, you'll have to exit out of Binance and then open up your Coinbase application, and here once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. After that, you'll need to go to my asset, and from here as well. So basically what you'll have to do is, once you're on this page, click the receive button. After that it's going to ask you to select the asset that you wish to receive. And once you've done entering the asset, as soon as you do that, the wallet address will be created right at the bottom. So you can either download the QR code or you can simply copy the link. And once you're done copying the link, you'll have to head over to the Binance page, and for the deposited address, you'll need to paste in the link. After that, you need to enter in the amount of Bitcoin that you are sending or that you are transferring. And once you've done that, it's going to ask you to confirm by checking all of the information, and you might also require to enter in the passcode that you've created, and then you've successfully transferred cryptos from Binance to Coinbase. So in this way you can transfer from Binance to Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.